guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, make sure to subscribe because I have new videos every Thursday. And today I have a very special guest, Miss Kristina.
Hey guys, I'm so excited to be back here.
So today we're talking about hats. We're kind of smack in the middle of winter right now, so I know most of you probably don't want to buy new coats or too many new winter clothing, but hats are a great way to accessorize without spending a lot of money.
Yes, and definitely help on those days where you're having a bad hair day.
Definitely, that definitely helps so much. And why Kristina's here is not only because she's awesome, but also because we have really different face shapes. So my face shape is really long. I have a bigger forehead. I was teased about it as a kid all the time. And then I discovered Tyra Banks has a big forehead, so then I felt cool.
Oh, she's so funny.
But I do, I have a very longer face versus you have a different shape.
Yeah, I guess my face is a little bit more rounder, more of an oval.
Heart shape. Yeah, more like the rounder heart shape. So different hats work for different face shapes. So we're gonna model the hat trends that work for both of our different face shapes. Starting with one of my favorites, the fedora. So I love fedoras. I have them in almost like every color. The one I wear the most is definitely black. So what's so cool about it is it makes any look really edgy and downtown chic. So here I just paired it really simple, just with a sweater and jeans and booties. I did a coat for cold weather, but the hat just makes it look really cool. So this is a more casual look, but I've also worn it with a white hat. When I was in New York, I wore an all white look. I've worn a red hat with a leather jacket. I've worn this black hat with other things. It's great for travel. There are so many possibilities with the fedora. Hat trend number 2 is a beret, and I'm so sad I cannot wear one. They're so cute, but you look amazing in them.
Thank you. I absolutely love berets. At first I was like a little intimidated by them because it's like so Parisian and chic, but I think that there's ways to wear berets and dress them down and make them a little bit cooler and edgier, and that's what I did with this outfit. So I'm just wearing a beige sweater and then these high-waisted mom jeans with some raw finished jeans and a nude heel and then a statement belt and statement jewelry. I've worn them dressed up with a collar and a blazer, and when I was in Paris, I seriously wore one every single day, wore it with a suit and a black top too, and you really can't go any wrong with it. You just have to like have fun.
For a third hat trend, I want to talk about beanies because it's a great way to stay warm. I love beanies whenever I travel, whether it's on a ski trip or I wore them a ton when I was in Lake Arrowhead, and I think it's so fun with a little faux fur pom-pom.
So
it's just
cute.
like really, really cute and like, I don't know, girly, like it reminds me of childhood, but you want to make it elevated. So the way I did that was with a sleek turtleneck. I did a cardigan on top for layers, for warmth, a skinny jean, and some booties. But I've worn beanies all the time, anytime I travel in cold weather because I'm always cold. So you can really have lots of possibilities, not just on the ski slopes. So for our last hat trend, I'm going to let Kristina take this one on the paperboy, cabbie, newsboy. There's so many ways to say it.
So many different ways. I call it a paperboy hat, which is definitely my absolute go-to. So if I don't want to wear sunglasses and I'm walking around, I'll definitely throw one on. So I decided to wear it with a turtleneck and a blazer just to elevate it a little bit. But I for sure have worn this dressed down with a pair of jeans and a sweater and with my hair back. And honestly, I feel like with hats, like your good hair day was a straight day, and the next day curly, and then the third day you maybe put it up. Well, my fourth day hair is a hat. So that's what I've done in these other looks for sure.
I love it. I haven't toyed around with the Newsboy hat. I've worn it a couple times in New York, but you're inspiring me to wear it more. So I hope you guys enjoyed this mini trend guide on how to wear hats this winter. If you want to shop the hats, I have a whole blog post over on sydneystyle.com where you can shop all the styles, both what works for me and what works for Kristina. And make sure to subscribe because I have a new video next week, and check out Kristina on her channel.
Yeah, you guys can find me on Kristina Zias on YouTube or on Instagram at Miss Zias.
And I'm at Sydney Summer over there. And I hope, Kristina, you come back soon.
Absolutely,
I
I'll
love
be back.
when you're here.
I know, thanks.
So I will see you guys next week. And hats off to winter.
Bye, guys.
Turtlenecks like I did here. Hi up there. Hi.
That was so hot.
Hats below. Blah. Bye, guys.
Bye. Oh, sorry, I was delayed.